Hi everyone, welcome my YouTube channel. I'm Marcello Giorgi, Italian professional sculptor, born and raised in Pietrasanta, a Tuscan town recognized as a world center for art and craftsmanship. My goal is to help you to improve your sculpting technique by sharing my experience. In this video, I will show you how to construct a generic and human head, which is the first step toward the creation of a portrait, by using a method that uses geometric plane. I will share with you some important information and I will create proportionate correct head. This method is different than what I learned growing up in Italy. I don't mean that the classical method is not valid or outdated. The classical method is always the best, but it requires many years of study and practice. Inversely, with the plain method we can achieve excellent results in less time. Afterward, the student may want to go back to do an in-depth study of anatomy.